lights and shadows. We perceive the volume of an object clearly because of the way it receives light and casts shadows. The position of the light on the object determines both the intensity with which we see its colour and the shape of its shadow. The light produces areas with different degrees of illumination on the surfaces of objects. The place where the light rays shine on an area becomes clear, and if the surface is smooth, it looks shiny. If the surface of an object has a defined edge, there is a clear zone between the light and the dark area. When the transition is smooth, there is a gradual transition from light to dark. The way an object is illuminated affects the way we perceive it. For example, if the lighting is direct and intense, the expressive values may be strength, vigour and contrast. Whereas, if the lighting is diffused and less strong, such as the light on a cloudy day, the expressive values may be delicacy and harmony. Exercise number 1. Complete these figures and colour with different intensities to boost the volume.
In this exercise, we will reproduce this frame monofilm cycle. We will start by painting the top of the paint. Okay? Començarem per la part de dalt de la pintura. I recommend that we sharpen the pencils to paint as hard as possible. And then we finish the dark parts. Començarem pintant les parts més fosques del cabell. When we finish the dark parts, we continue with the gray parts and leave the light spots blank. Molt bé, després de les parts fosques, pintem les grises i deixem les zones on recau la llum blanques. Then we continue the same process with the face. First of all, the dark parts, and then we continue with the gray parts. Now, only the bottom of the paint is missing. Let's look at the different shades of gray and complete the exercise. Continuarem la resta de la pintura pintant primer les parts fosques i després ja completarem les grises deixant els punts de llum. A la part inferior es tracta només de diferenciar els diferents tons de grisos.
Exercise number 2. Lighting can generate many of the expressive values of an image. Stick an image below and fill in the grid.
In this exercise, we have to look for a photograph in a magazine. It needs to be cut according to the box in the sketchbook. Per aquest exercici el que haurem de fer és buscar una fotografia en una revista i l'haurem de retallar segons el requadre que veieu en el dossier. We need to draw a box in the photo with the ruler, crop and paste in the indicated place. Then we have to fill the grid, indicating the type of light, the expressive values, the direction of the light, and the adjectives to describe the image. Per acabar l'activitat, el que farem serà omplir la graella, indicant el tipus de llum, valors expressius, direcció de la llum i els adjectius necessaris per descriure la imatge.